My name is Miss Kastle, and today we are going to be making a Play-Doh garden. So, everybody has their Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you some easy shapes to make with Play-Doh.
Let's build a garden where we can play.
So the first thing, you want to take a little bit of Play-Doh and we're gonna roll it into a ball.
World at your
Any color you like. Okay, so we're going to take our Play-Doh and we're gonna roll it into a ball. And these are like seeds. Yes. Yes, but I'm gonna show you the basic shapes of how to make a flower. Okay? Yeah. So, that's good. Just take a little bit of Play-Doh and we're gonna roll it into a ball like this. Yeah, okay. Everybody listen up, please. All right, so now we have our balls, and so we are going to make about 10 of these, and these are going to be your seeds. So this is called making inventory, all right? And this is scaling up. So once you, yes, correct. So once you get really good at something, you can start making a lot of them. So we're going to make 10 of these. So you don't have to make them all right now, but you can make as many as you want, but today we're gonna make 10. So you can make a ball. Yes, but right now I want you to listen to me, so I'm showing you how to make the different shapes of Play-Doh, okay? So we have the ball, and from the ball, we can roll it out. So if you roll it out with your finger onto the table, then you can make a stick. Everybody see that? If you roll it out onto the, okay? And now
stay soft and squishy under your hand, a magical world at your command.
yeah, so if you make a long stick, that's perfect, because then you can chop it into different pieces. You can chop it into like 10 different pieces, or however many you would like. Good job. So now we have our little sticks, and from as many as you like. Okay? So, and then from the stick, you can shape it into any kind of shape. You can shape it into like a squiggle. You guys see the squiggle? You can make a squiggle. Yeah, it does look like a snake. You can make a circle. You can make a circle. And you can make lots of different shapes from the stick. Okay? And now from the ball, from the rolled ball, you can press your finger into it. And from the rolled ball, you can press your finger into it. And it makes a flat circle. So what we're gonna do from these three shapes, you can make whatever you would like with Play-Doh. That's what's so amazing about Play-Doh, is that it allows you to be creative and make anything you like. So does everybody have these three basic shapes?
Shape the stems, it's so much fun. Add a butter.
All right, so what we can do from these three basic shapes is we can make flowers, you're right. So you take whatever color for the stem. I'm gonna use green, but you can use your imagination and use whatever color you would like. So we're gonna make the stem, right? And then, so we have the stem. I think I'm gonna go with, what's your question?
Squishy under your hand, a magical world at your command. Use your
of them stuck together.
Make it grow in a special way.
No. Okay, so okay guys, so you have your stem, and I'm gonna use, so you want to make 6 different balls you want to make 6 different balls with, good job, that's a good flower. Alright, so then you take 1 ball and you can put it on top of your stem. That's beautiful, good job. That's exactly what I'm doing. So you make your ball and you can stick it on top of on the stick. And then you want to make 5 more little balls. Okay, so you can make 5 little balls.
Make it grow in a special way. A tiny pond with a little.
So you make 5 more little balls, and then you can smush the little ball and you put it around the ball in the center, and so you have the ball on top of the stick. So here, look at my page.
Soft and squishy under your hand, a magical world that you
Or you don't need 5 exactly.
Just like that.
No, no. So then she'll show you.
Right, and then we have our pretty flower. And so this is a basic Play-Doh shape that you can make, and you can switch around the colors to anything you would like. And if you make 10 of these, you can add a little stem or a little leaf, and it's like a flower. So if you make 10 of these, you will have a whole garden.
Don't mix anything.
So yeah, and so that's how you make your Play-Doh flower.
today. Flowers and trees where the critters stay. Soft and squishy under your hand. A magical world at your command. Press the pedal